Professor Joseph Toby. Mr. Long John.
Today, we once again inaugurate two vital institutions, the Rivers State Board of Internal Revenue and the Rivers State Microfinance Agency. Together, these two bodies represent our vision for a state that is financially sustainable, people-centered, and a pathway to shared prosperity. The prosperity of any state depends greatly on its ability to generate and prudently manage her revenue. Therefore, this board, that is the River State Board of Internal Revenue, is central to the financial future of our dear state. The work you are about to embark on is not just about collecting taxes. It is about building trust, strengthening accountability, and ensuring that resources of river states are mobilized to serve our dear people. In river states, we are blessed with enormous economic potentials. Yet, our revenue profile has not matched our capacity. Too often, we have depended excessively on federal allocations, leaving us vulnerable to fluctuations in national revenue. That is why this board must reposition itself as the engine of financial sustainability of our state. Too often, revenues that should have gone into government coffers have been lost through inefficiency, leakages, or outright lack of integrity. This cannot continue. Integrity must be the guiding principle of our work. The people of Rivers State must see and believe that the resources they contribute are properly accounted for and made available for development of our state. Another pressing issue is revenue optimization. Rivers State has enormous economic opportunities, yet our revenue profile has not reflected our true capacity. Your responsibility is to identify, harness, and harmonize, optimize every legitimate source of revenue. This means expanding the tax net so that more individuals and businesses contribute fairly, while ensuring that the burden on honest taxpayers is not unfairly increased. To achieve this process, automation is non-negotiable. In today's world, revenue generation and management cannot rely on outdated manual systems that are prone to corruption and inefficiency. Technology must drive your operations. Automation will not only reduce human interference and leakages, but also improve transparency, efficiency, and taxpayers' confidence. Reducing revenue leakages is equally critical. Every naira lost to leakages is a naira denied to our schools, hospitals, roads, and communities. The board must therefore design and implement strict systems of monitoring, enforcement, and accountability. Revenue officers who fail in their duties or compromise the system must be held accountable. And for the rejuvenated Rivers State Microfinance Agency, it is not just another government institution. The agency is designed to stand at the very heart of our economic stimulation agenda, providing real opportunities for our people to create, grow, and sustain businesses. Micro, small, and medium-scale enterprises remain the backbone of every vibrant economy. They are the true engines of job creation, innovation, and community development. By empowering them, we lay the foundation for inclusive growth that reaches every home, every community, and every local government area in Rivers State. This agency is therefore a critical platform for promoting youth and women empowerment and entrepreneurship. Our young people are brimming with talent, creativity, and energy. What they often lack are the resources and financial support to transform the ideas into thriving ventures. The Rivers State Microfinance Agency must bridge that gap by providing access to credit, financial literacy, and capacity development, thereby nurturing a new generation of business leaders. I want to emphasize that this initiative must be process-driven and innovative. It is not about handouts, but about creating transparent, accountable, and sustainable systems that empowers businesses to grow. By leveraging technology and innovation, you must ensure that the agency's services are efficient, accessible, and free from bottlenecks. Equally important is that the grassroots reach of this program. Our rural communities, markets, cooperatives, artisans, farmers must feel its impact. Every Rivers person, no matter where they live, should be able to benefit from this opportunity to access finance, improve productivity, and contribute to the prosperity of our state. Both institutions we are inaugurating here are the two sides of the same coin. One secures the state's resources, the other empowers the citizens to create prosperity. Together, they will shape a river state where accountability meets opportunity and where growth is inclusive. To the chairman and members of these boards, the task before you is clear. Serve with integrity. Innovate boldly And remember that prosperity will judge you not by titles, but by the legacy of transparency and empowerment you leave behind. Thank you, and may God bless you and Rivers State.